दोस्तों, मेरे पास कई स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन और कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाने के लिए, और जब मैं उनसे पूछता हूं कि आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या है, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, दे से दैट सर मैं हिंदी मीडियम से हूं, इसलिए मेरा इंग्लिश अच्छा नहीं है, इसलिए मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा नहीं है। फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम वी हैव. We think that Hindi medium or Marathi medium or Kannada medium is the reason for your lack of confidence, lack of communication skills. But in reality, this is not true. It's not the medium that matters. It is the mindset that matters a lot. In this video, I will tell you how this thinking error is creating a problem and how we can change this. If you think that your poor English communication is due to grammar, then you are wrong. There are many people who know all the grammar rules. They are perfect in grammar, but they can't speak confidently. On the other side, there are some people who don't know much grammar, but they are very confident speaker. It's not the grammar that's the problem, it's the confidence. That's the main issue. We have fear of English. That's the main issue. Dear friends, another problem we have is we have weak emotional personality. We get hurt very easily, we worry a lot, we get angry quickly, we are not able to make decisions properly. This is the sign of weak emotional personality. If you want to work on your English communication, your soft skills and your confidence, then I have developed a completely different course. The name of the course is English Communication and Confidence Therapy. This is a program which I have designed from my 17 years of experience and my practicals. Friends, this is not a very common course where grammar is taught, but this is a completely different, unique course where I used psychology and my experience to train the students. But before telling about this course, let me tell you who I am. I'm a PhD in cryogenic engineering. But my passion is to train students for English communication, soft skills, and emotional personality. I'm doing this since last 17 years. Well, I have helped thousands of students to develop their English communication, their confidence, and their mental toughness. Now, before telling about what is this course about, let me tell you what is not there in course. This course is not a grammar course. In this course, I'm not going to teach you grammar. Grammar you already know, and grammar is not important for communicating confidently. Number two, this is not any online which is a recorded course where a video link is given to you and you have to download and see. No, this is not a recorded course. Number three, this is not any short-term course, shortcut course where you will be Superman in one day or in 1 month. It's not like that. This is not a course where you will be given 80% and 90% discount to attract students. It's not like that. We have a fixed course fees. This is not a course which is an app-based course. This is not an app where you can speak in English in 21 days or 30 days. It's not like that. Then what is this course all about? This course is a live training with me personally. It is a live training with me. And this is a long and rigorous training program. Second thing is, this course will give you permanent solution for your English communication problem, for your confidence problem, for your emotional problems. So this is not any shortcut course. This course contains a lot of psychological techniques which will help you to speak confidently, to communicate confidently, and to be a good public speaker, be a good presenter, as well as be mentally tougher. I get hundreds of emails every day. For that, I'm going to conduct video conferencing session with them. And after that, if I feel you have the hunger to learn, only that student will be selected. So friends, all the information is given in the description. Read the description, email me, my team will contact you. दोस्तों, जैसे मैंने कहा कि there are many students, बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स मेरे पास आते हैं, ऑनलाइन के लिए आते हैं, ऑफलाइन के लिए आते हैं, ट्रेनिंग के लिए आते हैं. And when I ask them, what is your problem? क्यों आपका कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा नहीं है? आपको क्या लगता है? Everyone says that, sir, I am from Hindi medium, sir I am from Kannada medium, sir I am from local medium, इसलिए मेरा इंग्लिश अच्छा नहीं है. And this is the main problem why these people hesitate to talk to fluent speakers. They have the fear that convent medium school students will make fun of their English. They have fear that they will not succeed in life. They have that inferiority complex in them that because of their medium, they will not succeed in life. And this is absolutely wrong. This is completely wrong. We have to change this mindset if you want to become successful in life, if you want to speak confidently, if you want to speak fluently. Why we should change this belief? Because this belief is completely wrong. It has no proof. Friends, there are many people in this world who are from local medium, from Hindi medium or any other local medium, but they have become successful in life. They are very good and confident speakers. Let me give you one example. This was a person who was born and brought up in a poor family. No English medium school, no convent medium school. He went to local medium school. But only due to his sheer hard work and persistence, he became one of the top rocket scientists in the world. This person is not only my ideal, this person is ideal for all over India. In fact, the whole world. Exactly, you know whom I'm talking about. This person is none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He had never gone to an English medium school. He had never gone to any international school, but he became fluent in English, a confident speaker. You can go and see his videos. And he became the President of India. So dear friends, what I want to tell is, it's not your medium, friends. It's your mindset that matters. Next time, never ever say I'm from Hindi medium or Marathi medium. It is only the hard work and persistence and consistency is required to become fluent in English, to become a confident speaker, to become successful in life. So दोस्तों, अगली बार ऐसा कभी नहीं बोलना कि मैं हिंदी मीडियम से हूं. Never say that. Take care.